Hi guys, what's going on? We're doing some videos today of us hauling off some cars. These are customers that we did work on their vehicles. They decided they didn't want to pay for them. So we had to get the proper paperwork so we could haul them off for at least some scrap money. So stick around with us. We got a couple we're going to do today. I hope y'all enjoy. No. Yeah, well, it had a flat tire on this side, so I couldn't get the driver's side door open over the fender. So I had to climb in through the passenger side.
Oh, okay.
And that is a diesel.
Oh, yeah.
Man. I don't know.
They ain't gonna tell us sometimes they bring them in here, man.
He got some money off of it.
I seen a Chevrolet come across the street when I was working over there one time.
Yeah.
Body perfect, motor. I never heard an engine sound no better. They talking about the transmission was slipping. And during that time, they wouldn't let us buy them.
That's crazy.
Man, talking about the transmission slipping. We played with it right on the yard for a good while, cutting donuts and all kind of shit.
Shoot, that's like a 94, 95. That one right there is a 2002 that I got.
Oh yeah, that's Chevrolet you got that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's wild, man.
Yeah.
Guess that fender wasn't worth fixing, right? You be good, my man.